Erin donated stuffed animals to various charities last year. First, she donated 3 animals to an elementary school and 3 to a daycare center. Then she donated 2 to a state park. How many stuffed animals did Erin donate in all? Number 10. Joel collected bottles for recycling. He started by getting 2 bottles from the kitchen. Then he visited 2 friends and got 3 bottles from the first friend and 4 bottles from the second friend. How many bottles did Joel collect? Number 11. What coin is this? Circle the correct answer. Is it A, a nickel, B, penny, C, dime, or D, quarter? Number 12. What is the value of this coin? You can write your answer on this line. Number 13. What is the value of this coin? You can write your answer on this line. Number 14. What is the value of this coin? Write your answer on this line. Number 15. What is the value of this coin? The answer can be on this line. Number 16. What is the value of this coin? You can write your answer on this line. The last question is number 17, and it says, write the word form for the number 18.